This is the establishment. Just insert the CD.
Is it answer for plug in
No, I will show you.
infusion pump or for?
I will show you. This Ansur, this is the plugin license for Impulse 7000. This CD comes with Ansur main software, that's Ansur Executive, plus plugins for all the equipments which can be used with Ansur. Okay, but we can use only with this one, this license key. See, this is the install Ansur Executive. Okay, just click on this one. I have already installed in this one. I'm just showing how to do. Okay, another version of this product is already installed. That's
You
why it's
agree
showing
now,
like this.
huh?
Yeah.
Before I can.
No, Eunice gave me
He
permission.
said, I am not head teacher.
Eunice gave me permission. That's why.
Ah.
Okay. We inserted the CD,
Mm-hmm.
and this page appears. First, we have to install Ansur Executive.
Mm-hmm.
This is the main software. Without this, we cannot do anything. Okay. Then install plugins. See, different plugins are there. BP Pump 2, ESI 601, 612, 620. We are having this Impulse 7000 DP,
Yes.
QAES, and also BP Pump 2.
What is KS? Yes. This is for what? I want to introduce you. There are some program like video when you speak and indicate with the mouse there can record it. You have
He is recording,
في
right?
برنامج هناك والله انه
This is easy, just simple. Okay. See, first we have to install Ansur Executive. I have already installed. Then this symbol will come. See, this F symbol. Normally it will be saved in C drive. Okay. And again we have to select which plugin we want. We have BP Pump 2, Impulse 7000 DP, and QAES. Okay. First we install this one. I have already installed this one. Just click, then follow the instructions. Next, I agree, the accept. It will show the same
a
thing.
serial number or something like that.
Yeah,
there are.
that I will show. See, preparing to install. This showing repair because already is there.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then I will quit this one.
How could you enter the license?
That I will show in that system best. Cancel.
Could you just get a new password?
Yeah.
This is from the gate.
Yeah.
From the
Yeah.
what?
Okay. Okay. Then if you are using this Impulse, okay, just open this one. Okay. This page will
already.
come. Yeah. Because I have already installed this one.
Yeah.
This page will come. Go to File. Open. See. Just click on this Ansur Test Library. This Ansur Test Library is having all the plugins. All the it's like a library.
Like
We
demo.
can
Like demo. There are like demo.
see. Like not demo. It's having many plugins. Like see. We have installed BP Pump 2, Impulse 7000 QAs. That's why it's showing as a folder. See other things, other library. It's just we cannot use this one. Okay, we have installed these 3 plugins. That's why it's like a folder.
Number 2, 1 and 2 and 3.
Oh yeah. See, this is like a folder. We have all these installed.
Yes.
Okay. Whichever equipment we want to use. that
the version.
BP Pump 2. Just click on that one.
There
There are in
3.
yeah. Fluke has given certain procedures, set certain procedures in this one. That is for adult 1, adult 2, neonatal. Adult 1 is for adult patient with some lean patient, some conditions. Okay. Adult 2 is for different conditions. Adult person with different conditions, baby massive. Okay. And neonatal is for infant, baby.
Baby, I understand.
Okay. Just click on this one. Whichever you want to select. Select adult.
One.
Okay. Adult.
Okay.
See. in this one, just see, this is like a
Run.
our
Run.
VCD player. Yeah.
Start.
Just start.
Yeah.
See, this will come. Just a minute. This will come. Okay. See, exterior. This is for the PPM, preventive maintenance. This is like you are doing your routine. Or if some new one comes in your company, he doesn't know how to use. You can type here whatever to use. You can write in your own words, like check this equipment, how many cables, what is the limit. All this we can include. Okay. If exterior of the equipment without damage or missing hardware. Pass, yes or no. We can put yes or no also. Okay. Now pass. Or if we put fail, if not present, this step completed failed. Okay.
But how do you know equipment is pass or fail? I don't know.
See, exterior of equipment, this is not the full test. This is just one step. First step. This is like, see, if this is the BP pump, it's asking exterior of the equipment is okay. No breakage, nothing.
Exterior means external.
Yeah, out. Okay. Click next. Then it show power code. Power code is there without any damage.
Yes, pass.
Okay. Or if you want, you can skip this step.
This to do report.
Yeah,
Report.
exactly for report. You can write in your own words if anything. Okay. Unit is turned off and user accessible covers are open, and unit found to be without damage. Okay, these are all simple things. Just like your own. Okay. Now the test starts. See. Attach the cuff and the blood pressure unit to BP pump 2. All the steps will be displayed here. You do according to this one. See, first we have to do this step. That's why now this is the highlighted. See, these are not highlighted. These are in a way.
Not active, no.
Yeah, not active. See, attach the cuff and the blood pressure unit to the BP pump 2.
Okay.
Click start to run the simulation.
Okay.
If we attach and click start, see, this got highlighted. Here we have not connected any equipment.
Yes.
That's why if
Do you solve this problem?
yeah, that's all. Now we have not connected anything. That's why it cannot detect the instrument. Okay. It's like systolic. It will measure all these things. Systolic. This is it have measure built-in value or something it has given. Okay. Then see, because it's not working, we have not connected the equipment. Still, it's showing attach this one. Please wait. Only that step is okay. It's like it's the same. Just click start. Then it will measure the value. It will give all these things. You just if
Like a table.
yeah, everything will be displayed. While Redicam, he will show this impulse 7000 BP. You will know every steps it will show here. You do according to that one. Click next for the next step, or skip. See, or skip.
Computer
Because-
should connect it to
Yeah.
that machine.
That machine.
To this.
Yeah.
Is there a connection?
Yeah. And also, I will show one thing. This is a common feature for this one, Ensure. It's like you saw that if the equipment is without damage, all these things, we can include that things. Okay. This is like, let's go new template. Okay, and new sequence. Template means we are telling that anything is present, or sequence means according to that sequence it will run. First check the visual test, second then BP, all these things I will show you. Okay, click on general test. See, click and drag to here. Sir, is that all on? Checklist. You can include another checklist, numerical list, general list. This is like first you have to create of your own if you want. Otherwise, inbuilt all these things are there.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Yes.
Entered also password.
Yes.
Okay.
Come here with your
Yeah.
CD.
This is simple. I will just. This is common. Okay. You understood till this much, right? Okay. Test container. This test container is like